Ôi. Ngimut ban kieu ya katrin ring ngimian kieu. Ngelamu dia kieu tu katrin bagi ngimian kieu. Sak kali hati ya nyara kecat keniat ni sampai jangan teh kemana. Melali. Nong selong. Kebabas mana penyem dan wayar ni. Kini wayar tu ini yang rukom long very systematic. Oh mari. Udi. Dah kan. Jadi wan ada ketrin mentah pergi ke stop yang sahai. Oh ke stop hang teh try. Jaka apa ke stop iman ni hak benda. Pergi minta ini nang ni amte buat train mah. Min syong train. Yang seberang tu yang. Yes, ini kian nak ni tram ta. Yes. Yakin kian? Oh, di kham yang stand di mana? Tak ada kham pelira. Lu. Dan jaka. Finally lagi orang. Menyut pastai. Dalam tunan. Nice. Oh di. Kane di kesno. Ini ada kisnong sini. Finally lah yung train. We were trying so hard man to get into the train. Now you're getting in.
Then you go to pynban there or.
Oh, bakla train.
Can you press the button? Thank you.
Bakla lynti. Bakla bos.
Okay.
That's the one.
Yes. Now we have to this way. There is another stop in this direction. Then you need because this way is a different direction. You go to the Prata or.
Yes, Arsenal Strabe.
Yo, syong train tang sipang lah biar no flop show.
You must go back and take.
Thank you. There's a stop where we get the bee.
Oh, ke train kai.
From there we can get the bee.
Yeah, the D to opera, and then you have to change into this direction. You must go.
Get down the bee.
Yeah, then we need to cross the street and go that direction.
That direction.
Yeah, this direction. This way.
Oh, that direction we
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
Thank you. Of your walk over.
Look at the bike.
Thank you so much. We'll walk that side. Let's walk that side. Come.
The bike.
We'll walk that side. Come.
Oh, di kabak jingibang. Sak kali. Kebeningkong menang play train.
Syong kali yang klaim moji kalau kumne.
Apa ni? Kebeningkong menang ban play ke train. Kebahar pada nang play rukom deh, Leit serut.
Tak ada. Kali yang klaim moji kalau kumtu.
Sulong bayar bun, dodai marai lah sak kali. Tuh, ya benar kencat.
It's a really good learning experience.
Kedai.
We don't have a guide, we don't have anything. We are just figuring out Baroh on our own. And even the thing keep along very difficult to pronounce.
Maybe what you can do, ma'am, that's again another learning.
Yeah.
If there is anybody shisha behind, or like the guy or something, we can't know that him. You can take us to long and pulau, I can start and you know, like I'm just you can plan A, plan B there.
Juga lah banyak tour guide di sini. Oh,
Then just a plan A, plan B, and like charges very can know.
Begitu kan ni basikal ke Kumlong bniah briew ha. Tanya briew tu basikal pelakut. Ya. Chalo. Hai. Ha?
Sempat hon.
Kada kham sawah ke surjong pi banyak hon kali.
Oh, ngaruh banyak kali.
Banyak kali. Nan mai hon dan mai pen. Ni lai. Ni kalong tiki film paring gitu gibai. Shoot film hajan hotel. Ni menen ni syongkum kani kali bai kali khanya. Ini pi taksi sini. Taksi sini dekat Mercedes bro. Pisat tu taksi dekat Alto, dekat ka. Sini dekat Mercedes. Dekat baik kali kalau jat. Ini cycle tu begini. Itu kibala ban kit. Ya bakilam kit kun.
Best bike.
Hai.
They're in the front.
Ya. Ni kiyang ni kipak pi di kali.
Mending pak gitu.
Taksi ni Mercedes.
Kipak kita. Ah.
Like middle road kan?
Ah. Oh di bitai. Of convertible. Oh sing bang. Ki kali shani ti bro. Ki kali na. Ki yeng na. It's too good. To mentang ini liwat no ke kam ke jongi kita ni po Vienna. Ti bangin liwat ti kam ke bangin wan shani na mentang kata kam ingin liwat. Mar ki penlong ki kham penlong ti jaka ki penlong ki bon bagi jaka. Tingim tip kanu ke deshanu mar mendan tour guide ngim tip nei shai udon dong shai jayan sino sa tis khman la poi jayan poi sa tis khman ban bajaf ti kita ki kham yanang hi ban puli khniat ya ke Jerman ti ki ya suthu hi ban pit ni satai ting ha ban iwat Baroh kawei ke city shanu ke di jaka hangnu ke di jaka ban ter ting la siu ya ke bai train kambing yo poi ni jaka Pi hang ni sim pila kiu sisen pirung bet judan ni. Pila mencurung bet kham siu bai tiket ni lai tamalong dari kibat pat itu kinong peit tiket di PM kan sa bu jeng buru mare.
Pen marek deh, mak dia.
Dan nomor belakala rongsau. Belakala rongsau tak ada.
Oh, lynti rupet kum lynti train.
Hai kian lynti train gitu. Ting ha ban liwat ya kini ki yeng ya kini ki jaka balong ya kini keleng ini di jaka ya train ting sngewbha tu balik excursion musya dalam school kita minta pala teman tama ka jingkhot bakalong ba kini kamu ke besuk kumakiwan kai turis lebih wan bela tak lah habis tip hila ka jong dan wan ban guide ipi dan tour guide dan menu siap ya pej ya kan? Oh, kali itu kan? Stay ya.
Ini tu bol semua dah.
Dan kam nak you dah uding ye.
Uding sibuk tengah buat ding nak saja.
Ting haban siya. Kali ni ki brusnong sini. Nak ki krem nak tin snong tak ada dah sngewbha. Te Nis kini ki la yarap ha ki tresnong sini ki yarap ha ka pikiran dulu ki yarap kan tangba ni kita ka ri ke pertai ki briew sini te ka per ba liwat sta jaka ka second location begin Leit kan ni ka oh ketai iwei ketai building orange but grey ha di. Kini di jaka di kali sekenhan. Mana kau di kali sekenhan? Itu. Hai, jaka di kali sekenhan ni. Kini di kalau lalu kum mulai kini kebentah ni. Ketua minister dalam mulai kerak ni sini dalam mulai. Kan punya rukom long pilai kendau dia. Setemi kendau ra. Ni setemi kendau. You don't see sun and bushes no there. Here you start seeing all this. See? Ya lo kum mulai ni. Kini hang ni kham paji khniat nate na sorba. Kara kala desa bakut jong kini kitram bayat iru. Ke kena ni bentar kini kawei pak meeting ni. Kini ke office tege iwei. Kali jaka, oh ketrin dan dari ketrin hai. Train suruh kita nak train. Ni kalau jingiaidlynti sejagai itu ketrin tu kedan ketrin station lah kejong. Yang kita tram, kita bus, kita hari dalam kejong ni. Di nang ni film long man cross pathar nang ni setai. Dalam zebra crossing hi film long man cross kulmar. Taruh haduh dalami di signal bergreen. Sya kali. Ya man ya sya. Kam. Ni banyak deh. No because. Oi.
hynrei nasi set mat
Hey. Ya mengasarai sini kalau kham long kendong ni kena buat traffic rule show kali. Ndera. Hafal ami green kumtur nang dia je tu briew. Ni bang apa kayak ni. Ni pekelong mereka acrylic iura ni. Interesting. Architecture bro. Ni kumne kisna yang sini kamla pasutku. Tang kawei ni ka da pojar kan ni ke screen nang ni. Pekan ni le ketin tambah peit. Tin pei. Interesting. Very interesting. Indeed. Kali deh. Uff. Bang. Mana?
thank you
Boleh. Ni hab kali hang ni hab register. Hab register hang ni kan? Ya kan? Hero sport.
Divide up here,
Nice.
and we're gonna merge back together, left, right.
Ngelirung mentas ni support kan ni ka innovation house ke bagi dan ki company bahe musa hynrei ke mentah pat ki dan ki startup baper bagi kena ni mentah ka tour mentah Baroh kawei.
Hidden channel
Huh?
hidden channel tu kawei tu deh
Hi.
So we've actually now uniquely split you into two groups, and the interesting part here is actually, like, as you probably ask yourself, so it's a startup hub, it's a creative hub. What does it mean? Is it creative startups? Is it artists that are very businessy? No, we just really love the concept, because what we figured is it is such a boring thing when you drive in the morning past an office building, all of the lights are out, and in the evening, basically when I typically leave, all of the lights are out again. Core working times in offices are so little, and if you're really trying to push the boundaries and actually like work on your startup, work on innovative and creative ideas, you cannot really just work on it, from 10 to 5. You need to put more effort into it, and you also want a place that actually fulfills this requirement and constraint. And so we have a very brilliant thing with our artists. They tend to show up later, actually over there, some of them. And so we have like a lot longer office times, because the artists typically stay until very late, the businesses tend to come fairly early. And so we have this very nice mix. And actually this group over here, you'll be actually heading here now over to our VR, AR mixed reality floor. We have a whole floor that's actually dedicated to basically crossing this boundary into the digital and virtual space. There's some very, very cool experiences also, which you're gonna actually hear about directly from the responsible people. But to give you a little bit of a taste and kind of like an insight, we actually have a digital art exhibition. We have a full motion race simulator and flight simulator, as well as an awesome sport device where you can actually in Google Maps fly through cities to explore them, or go underwater and take a deep sea exploration. We have a 3D scanner as well with 59 mirrored cameras where you can stand in the middle, put objects in the middle, and you can create a digital counterpart of an object which you can then use in the digital space. So I would now please like to ask all of the people on this side to head over there, and we're gonna switch afterwards, and you're gonna get a lovely tour of our wet labs, which are now artists in residency. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna go into this.
Treikam bezoeken.
One moment, please stay outside from the box. Please, not all at the same time. Go around.
Okay.
One moment, step by step. Okay.
Interesting.
How can we help you? So you are from the startup or?
Yes.
Startup. Startup. Okay. Yeah.
A tour here, so basically.
Yeah, we have different. This is the VR space lab, so you can try out something.
What are you selling?
But not all together.
Are you selling something or you're not?
We have tools you can rent. You can rent our tools for events, and we have also developing for mixed reality apps. So you can see we have a really cool experience here for mixed reality art experience. So the empty boxes are with the goggles. You can see full art, and yeah. So it's good if not so many people inside, so you can go around with the.
But how can all this help to startups?
You can try out what you can do with the technology.
You can
so
rent it or
we can explain you. So what's the state of the art? What the last headsets are? Or what can you do with VR? You can try out here something. We are since 10 years with VR technology. So I have.
Okay, gini. Bump?
Yes.
What is this? Apple juice. Một nắng này là bao nhiêu bám có được pynban, được là register schwarze, đấy.
So some things were good.
Nice. Cái này thì VR. Cái mà pila bên lệ là mình use cái này hàng này. Buôn vài cái bằng thay học bên lệ bên năng bên tip experience. Và bên lệ thì không một ginger đi. Ui. Mana?
Itu hosting mentan, ai jeng batai yang itu kini. Ngatih kerteng.
Tu berjerong yang tu boleh.
Fikirannya, most probably teman should connect with media house and startups on that skill because they are working in house of innovation, so they might have someone that might be relevant.
Panghala. Nice. Sweet.
We might just take a peek inside, and then maybe we'll do it like this, so you can stay maybe all on this side, and then we can actually like go back and take a quick look inside.
This is.
And if you're interested in buying anything for your partner or your significant other, do not hesitate. They'll be happy to talk to you. Ist das richtig fresh?
Wow. Oh, fancy stuff. Wow. Great.
Yeah, it is actually a shop. It is their showroom, and they're actually launching just their new store. You'll be able to see it in which street?
It's in the Kärntnerstraße.
Kärntnerstraße, Durchgang. Welche Kreuzung?
It's near to Swarovski.
Louis Vuitton, Gucci.
Yeah, number 8, they will be opening their new shop actually, and but if you're a Baroh member, you'll always be able to stop by the beautiful showroom, obviously.
Solid. Ikong jaka din.
Yeah, ngapwa shibun ni.
Kelaban tidur deh.
Mga tradisional
Keli kasih kedor keli kasih kedor.
Yang nilai
Keli kasih kedor ni.
The bags are all original, they are second hand, so just
You have the beautiful Dior saddle
Exactly, the
bag.
bags are second.
And what are the prices?
It depends on which bag.
I suggest you stay here and have a chat.
But the product like 50 to 70% on the retail. So like for example, if this show like the double flap, it's 11,000 in the store. By us it costs like 6,000 euros, 5 to 6,000 euros. Exactly.
Okay. That's nice.
Okay, well, let's continue and let them actually go to their exhibition because they have a very big day, as you can see.
67,000 euros, and that is also Bagade second hand.
Relax.
It's a very good deal.
Only.
My goodness. Sure. Look at the art. Very interesting. Very interesting. So kini Baroh kedai co-working space bagi use into kile kedai jaka bagi startup kila ban pynban kila ban shong but kila ban pynban ini ke space kham bikin yo mentoy babon dan si
you're
jaka
already all comfortable, so that's actually very, very awesome. Like, feel free to also sit down, rest a bit. It's a very hot day. We'll be outside afterwards. So also make sure to eat, drink. I don't want anybody to like tip over. And yeah, like we believe that you're supposed to actually like work in a beautiful atmosphere. So we'll always have art exhibitions also in our workspaces where it's literally just flex desks here that you like might just be working on. People just come and go, like they'll pick whatever desk that they want. We don't believe that you're supposed to work on a 1 meter desk like it's in many other spaces. We'll actually give you 160 or 180 long tables that you can actually work from. You can set up your equipment. You have conference rooms. You have plenty of meeting rooms. We don't believe that anybody should ever sit in a phone box. I think those things are absolutely horrible. I don't know. Who has actually already worked out of a phone box? Not too many, so you're very, very lucky. But sitting in like a 1 square meter little box a whole day, like you often do when you have a bunch of calls, it's absolutely horrible. I really don't recommend. I actually think it should be against the human rights, but I guess I'm so wrong. I'll go to your question in 1 second. So we actually have like phone rooms. You'll see the doors actually just missing because actually one of the artists will actually now create a live art piece out of it today. So we actually have some very cool things planned. We also have a lot of events coming up, and we have events.
Kau nak football? Ha? Ale.
You want to play?
Yeah.
How to hit it?
It's a goal, bro. It's a goal. Oh, so he's doing it. Nice. Lovely. Bit pa. Kani again. Oh, okay. Siya mga sundan kani kawei to. Oh, kalong to ke. Nice. Ayo, ha. Nice, na. Ta, ali. Ha? This is a kadang exactly kumadan mga jabing ni kumta higini kita yang tu jaka jungi nga tip kini ki palok kilai ini kabanging ile hang tu hapo ha mulai Te serim ya kumne hatuhi. Kau balik hatuhi hang ni kilek briew ni. Te gidan ki artis gidan ki iwei ha. Ali bakal ni lahir sepo kan? Wan siwat ikas jerok. Hon sang ni net. Hani lei si sini. Ha? Lei kilek sini. Hon sepikai sini. I'm near the station. Oh, nice painting. Oh, painting. Hi. Hi. Nice. Ah, ni kani kada bika painting di studio bet jong kini. Te bit ba. Kiyop di jaka di jong. Nice. Ang kapikati ko VR lah ste. VR te. VR. Oh, nee, wen? Wohin?
Aber ja, eine dumme Geschichte. Das Ding ist, ich habe halt beim Vergolden benutzen wir so einen speziellen Kleber. Das ist so die Vergoldung. Continue to paint.
Nice.
Like I've always painted my whole life, and I knew as a little child
I just
that.
take your video when you speak like that.
Oh,
and
okay.
I show it to my daughter, and she understands and do a little bit. Like that.
So English is.
Yes. Where they teach you and then you learn, or you learn it by yourself.
I learned it by myself, but the art school helped with certain skills. Like for example, on this painting I have like gold, and I learned how to apply real gold leaf, and I also learned to use the airbrush, like at school, something like that, like techniques, but like proportions, everything I taught myself, like color theory. I also had in school, but I was just interested in it. I was like, why are some paintings like the color harmonizes way more than in other paintings when they use a lot of color? And because I was interested in that, I just watched videos, I learned, I tested, I tried a lot of things, and the most important thing is, I think, is that you learn. Of course.
Tell me.
Like she has a lot of details. She's painted with acrylic paint, but the problem with acrylic paint is that you have to do 3 to 4 cover layers of paint until you have the intensity of the paint and the coverage. And then I airbrushed every single part of her to get this glowing effect. And also with the UV light, she glows in the dark, like everything that's like pink that glows.
Wow.
And all the neon signs glow as well, and it's a night scene. She's like in the city at night, and all the stores are lighting up.
So this will pop up more in the evening.
Yes.
Okay. With just minimal lighting and all that.
With UV light.
UV light, specifically. Okay.
Black light, I think it's called.
Yes. Nice.
Exactly, and that's why she's more expensive. The price is higher because she's like a dual painting kind of.
Right.
Daytime and nighttime effect, and also with the airbrush and all the details, it's way more. Then, for example, the Powerpuff Girls. They're a bit simpler in also design and aesthetic. They're the background is airbrushed with a gradient in the middle, and then I spray painted the girls on it and the city, and the outlines are with acrylic paint.
I see. So what was the difference between the two? I mean, in price.
In price, they are around, I think, 1.5.
Okay.
And she costs 4,500.
And how?
Which is bigger, but
yes,
she's also
yes.
Yeah, it was way more work.
What about the Joker here?
As I said, he's not
For sale yet, but if you have to put a price on it.
If I have to like make another one like as a commission, I guess around 3,000.
3,000.
It's also UV reactive.
Okay.
Glows as well. I have a picture.
Okay. So it grows in the dark, right? So nice. Kani siyang lilac shiteng. ini syang doh dulu kuman
Like
relax.
this is how he looks normal, and when he lights up, it's like this.
Wow,
Yeah.
Nice.
It's amazing. This painting is like the eye catcher. That's why I cannot sell it.
My goodness.
In a club, it's insane.
Yeah. So how
Hello, Miko Wonderland. Hello. Hello.
Misha Servus.
Hello.
How much time does it take for you to do this?
It depends. Like she took the longest, I think, from all my paintings.
Like how many days or hours?
I really cannot tell. It takes usually a couple of weeks or months because I used to be a scenic artist in the theater, doing backgrounds and props and everything, and I usually
you
paint
juggle
this after work. Yeah. But I just recently quit, so I can pursue it full time. So I haven't figured out how long it actually takes. But like this one took like a week. But it's not finished yet. It's still some details missing, and I'm happy with it.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you
Great
so
job. My goodness. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, and all the best. Yeah.
I'll see you. Bye.
Ni bit berat. Bit berat. Hi. Have a good time. Mantap tak? Ni bang ada. Ha pedeng be yo be. Ha pedeng be. Di. Dah ngeledap nang ni ya. Ini ya nyok. Ini nyok siang ni, ini siang ngam tip. Oh, taksi deh. BMW. BMW.
Hynrei. Cái chung vich vậy. Cầm abra.
Ơi, bang hai.
Thế thì bike ni, yang kali.
Bat kali. Ke bike ronde bung hang ni kendul buk.
Jaral ana. Này kalau lah ana penyuh.
Sela. Baroh arteli ni tu keliru ke bike tu. Chalo.
Map.
Peit nan kali shu hynrei up sha haduh benda green tu. Dah, ya. Sini kham long kendong khniat tak ada kim dah ya. Kim dah hangit traffic rule. Tengah sar ngiru long umtai de. Dari tan semula sa lakor sa melem ni perkhat dia. Dari selong dia perkhat sih. Mah, nera. Kejulong umtai. Dah, nilai nyok pekun ni video ni lah touch ring no mana. Shimring na semua pihak, vlog na semua pihak.
Boleh kan ring mga?
Tering sa ni kan ni lynti.
Why will I do your job for you? What do you want to ring? So?
Ya keren kan?
The Chinese thing?
Keren.
Oh, I thought you just wanted to take a video.
Ketuk kamera kau khai siapa?
Ngabam day content creator ti ngam tip no ngajur tang man create content creator ti nganang bniah visia ya ketuka bridge tangba unfortunately amnang man bniah kene kamera jong iba Ferdinand ti ngalashu long kale no eladi ti menta kan ai no ila ngam bun khtien ko mai.
Welcome back to my channel.
See you in the next video with Kong Jacqueline, starring Kong Jacqueline. Nadu la shay sin salit no mi nakmat.
O ngan sa presyang mo ban entertain official.
Chalo, terima kasih yang ada upload gitu Baroh. Kasi siya may pipat sa kawei pag video ko